Parkell knows what clinicians are looking for and what is expected in a core material, and combine all that knowledge and experience with the added bonus of bioactivity to create Predicta Bioactive Core. Predicta Bioactive Core is optimized for placement in teeth that require core buildups with or without post prior to the prepping, impressioning, fabrication, and cementation of a crown. Predicta Core has unlimited depth of cure, zirconia added to improve the prepping experience, and is a strong and stable support for crowns made of zirconia, porcelain, PFM, and metal. Predicta Bioactive Core is bioactive and releases calcium and phosphate ions, and releases and recharges fluoride ions to stimulate mineral apatite formation and remineralization at the material-tooth interface. Bioactivity is known in the field to equate to stronger bonds between the restoration and tooth, penetrates and fills microgaps, reduces sensitivity, guards against secondary caries, and seals the margins against microleakage. Parkell offers Predicta Core in a variety of viscosity options to best fit your procedures and preferences. Stackable or high viscosity is ideally suited to minimize crown prepping time when placing larger core buildups, where stackability results in a more centralized core and less excess in areas that will require removal during prepping. Flowable or low viscosity is recommended for cases where post-cementation and core buildups are done together. The lower viscosity promotes better canal adaptation and less hydrostatic resistance during setting of the post into the canal. For direct restorations, follow these steps for exceptional results. After caries removal and tooth preparation, rinse the prep with water and dry using oil-free air. Disinfect and de-oil the preparation with appropriate cleansers and solvents. Apply pulpal protection to deep excavation areas on vital teeth if needed. Prepare the root canal and tooth surfaces using an etching technique compatible with your bonding agent. Apply and fully cure a bonding agent that is compatible with dual cure resins, such as Parkell's Amalgam Bond Plus, Brush and Bond, and Brush and Bond Max. For restorations that will be immediately prepped and impressioned, where the strongest immediate bond is required, light cure a thin layer of the material over the cured bonding agent first, before expressing the balance of the material. Then, bulk fill the remaining core using conventional core forming and matrixing techniques, and light cure to create a strong core buildup that is ready for immediate crown preparation. Apply the desired matrix or core former and tooth separation device to create tight contact if necessary. Double bleed the cartridge as follows. Insert the black plunger into the rear of the cartridge, or insert the cartridge into a 1:1 5 ml cartridge dispensing gun. Remove and discard the shipping cap. Do not reuse it. Bleed a small amount of material onto a pad so it is flowing from both orifices. Affix a brown base 1:1 static mixer to the cartridge and bend the integral 17 gauge metal needle tip to the desired angle. The cartridge may now be protected with a disposable plastic barrier sleeve. Express a pea-sized amount of Predicta Bioactive Core through the mixer and onto a pad, and immediately go to the next step. Place the intraoral metal needle tip in the bottom of the prep to be filled, and slowly express the composite as you withdraw the tip, keeping the tip immersed in the material to eliminate air entrapment. If desired, insert a properly treated endodontic post into the canal and hold it in place for 10 seconds to equalize the hydrostatic insertion pressure. Surround the head of the post with more Predicta Core, slightly overfilling the matrix. Compress the composite mass to remove air bubbles. To minimize shrinkage stress, allow the material to self-cure for 1 to 2 minutes before light curing. Light cure each surface for 20 to 40 seconds to a depth of 4 millimeters with any curing light to assure the hardest possible surface finish. Allow the restoration to finish its self-cure to the bottom of the prep at mouth temperature for 4 minutes total. This will assure a strong bond between the core and the tooth. Learn more about Predicta Core at Parkell.com and check out the full Predicta Bioactive family for natural and regenerative results.